Hey, what's up? Welcome to Twist on Thursdays. And in this segment, we will talk about photography, cinematography, content creation, marketing, pitching, business, how to get deals, how to get working with all these brands, how to get to travel for free, how to get to paid travel. Basically, everything you need to know for this content creator's profession. If you are new here, consider yourself subscribing because you will get to know a lot of tips, tricks, how-tos and how to get into this profession and how to successfully pitch some brands which you can work with. Also, how to pitch tourism boards and stuff. So yeah, a lot of things are coming up and you don't want to miss that. Today we'll be talking about stop motion. What is stop motion? Stop motion is basically an animation which creates by aligning photos line by line and playing them as a video. Don't get me? Watch this. What I mean by that is, let's suppose you want this pen to hop on this diary and tuck himself in. How you can do that? You just have to place your camera in one position, take photos of this pen and going all the way to the diary and tucking in. And align these photos in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to add sound effects and music to it. Gear. You can use anything which can take a picture. If it's a phone, if it's a camera, if it's a GoPro, if it's DSLRs, mirrorless, anything. Second thing you need is a tripod. A tripod which is stable enough to handle your camera's weight. That's it. And the third thing, which is an optional, if you want it, if you have the budget, you can get it. That's a remote control camera. It comes for DSLRs and mirrorless. And if you don't have it, it's all cool. You can do it manually in the camera too, and you can do it in your phone too and in your GoPro too. I just stick my GoPro on the ceiling and put it on the time-lapse photo mode and set the timer to 5 seconds. It took us around 9 hours to create this stop motion, but this is a heavy one. You can create a simple one and you will complete it in less than 2 hours. After clicking pictures, import those pictures in Adobe Premiere Pro and align them properly. Find the right frames, delete the rest ones, and I think you are good to go. Don't forget to add the right music and the sound effects if you are doing a professional brand ad. And if you are just doing it for yourself, you can do anything you want. But yeah, if you are doing it professionally, don't forget to add sound effects and a good song. You can also find good songs on Epidemic Sound and also on many channels on YouTube. But yeah, if you want to do it professionally and if you want to do it the right way, just go on Epidemic Sound or Audio List or Art List, or there are many things, many websites which are offering free good non-copyright music which you can use for your professional videos. Amazing, right? Once you added music and sound effects, you are good to go. That's all for today. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more of these tutorials, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon please. And you can connect me on social media, various social medias, just like Instagram, Twitter and everything else. You know the rest of the part. So yeah, let's cut it and see you next week. Bye.